Well, the reason I got into academia was because I wanted to affect change in our community. I wanted to make things better for people, particularly people experiencing poverty. London Homeless Coalition exists to coordinate services around homelessness in London. And this is a real opportunity to bring together all different sectors. So this involves the government, particularly through the City of London, involves obviously the academic sector with myself, and then the agencies themselves who are doing the work at the front line. The strength of the coalition comes from the collaboration that we have. The City of London has been an amazing partner in the work that we're trying to achieve in terms of providing some of the resources. We have the expertise of the social service agency. So you have partners like the Unity Project, Mission Services of London, London Cares, those agencies who for years have been working at the front line, doing the hard work with the individuals themselves who are homeless. And so we bring each our own expertise together, and by working together, by collaborating, we can drive the best outcomes.
One of the new initiatives we're doing is Public Humanities at Western. This will bring together students, faculty, and staff together with community partners to look at issues. But I think a big part of this program too is about igniting that sense of citizenship and community engagement, which is so important in a community. Well, we'd be involved in community programs in environmental issues, on social service issues, healthcare, arts, and culture. Let me just give you a couple of. Through this community service learning program, there are students in the gerontology program and health science who work directly with agencies in the community who deal with aging adults. And it's an opportunity for them to work together to determine what are some of the needs, particular needs of that community, aging people, older people in our community, and then to come up with those kinds of solutions. Everybody wins out of this. I mean, the students get the kind of learning that they could never get in a classroom, and the agencies get an opportunity to work with students who have really bright, keen young minds and new ideas on how to approach things.
There's a lot of important projects out there, and there are a lot of really smart people on campus that are looking for something meaningful to do. And a lot of students that want to move beyond theory. And these problems aren't just theoretical, they're real life, they're in the community. It makes me do my job better by working with the community sector. My favorite example of cross-sector collaboration is the work that I've been doing in the Old East Village. Over the past 10 years, we've had this really interesting collaboration with private sector, nonprofit sector, being the city and different businesses, and as well as me at the university. So a lot of projects have revolved around revitalization of the community. The Aeolian Hall has grown up to be an internationally renowned venue. The Western Fair Farmers and Artisans Market has become such a wildly successful place to not only shop, but as a business incubator. So it's a wonderful facility, and it's been an amazing experience working in community.
Experiential learning is really a win-win for both the community as well as the student. The student obviously gets the experience and opportunity to learn from the practitioner in the field placement, but the practitioner also has the opportunity to be deliberate about their instruction to the student and refresh and reflect on their practice. And at the same time, the students are bringing new knowledge, best practices into the community organization that sometimes the community organization would otherwise not be exposed to. It's really exciting because the not-for-profit sector is really excited about exploring new opportunities, and this is where we're hoping to engage the for-profit sector as well, so that we can collaboratively work together across those sectors.
One of the best things about being an employee at the college is that you are really engaging with the next generation of leaders and community citizens. And it's our goal and our moral responsibility to train them in every possible way that we can. So we can give them the skills that they need, but we also need to help them develop as productive citizens and responsible citizens across all disciplines. And we did some with Habitat for Humanity. We are on, I think, about build number 5 now with that particular group. So we have Libro, we have Fanshawe College, and we have Habitat for Humanity. So we have the private, public, and not-for-profit sectors working collaboratively. But one of the things I will say that collaboration takes effort. There's a lot of patience required. There's a lot of time commitment. It's a way of learning about another organization and the culture of that organization and how it operates.
One of the initiatives that I began here was really to focus on the growth areas of the college and to bring partners together from all different aspects, whether it's business, whether it's community, whether it's not-for-profit, in showing how that sector can work together to grow. We've done them in digital media, we've done it in international, in manufacturing, in research, and the next parallel that we're going to then draw is how do we as a college help in community collaboration in building the needs that help many organizations in the community that perhaps need that small help in between to get them where they need to be to service our community.
But it's a way of achieving things together that we can't achieve alone. We have so many capacities that we bring together, we can achieve a lot more than if we're trying to do it individually or independently.
I think that one of the strongest things that we have going for us in London is the fact that there are many organizations like Fanshawe, like Western, the City of London, other organizations that really look to work together and find as much collaborative opportunities as they can.
Well, I've always believed that this city has all the resources it needs, all the talent it needs, all the intelligence it needs to really make engagement grow. I just think we have to have the willpower to do the heavy lifting.